Shri Matilal Sarkar.
Sir, I am very much thankful, sir, that you have given me chance to speak in this parting moment. Sir, when I come here for the first time, I had some sort of hesitation, fears, doubts, because I heard so much high of this house. It was a dream for me. And now I think the dreams has mostly turned into reality. I could have enriched me by the workings of this house, the systems, the methods, the subject matter we deal with, the issues we deal with. I shall not see it anymore. I shall not find it anymore. I think anyone who comes in this house, in the parliament, develops in him a sense of a rationality of the country, which according to Rabindranath Tagore, नाना भाषा नाना मत नाना परिधान विविधेर माझे देखो मिलन महान, unity in diversity, a very significant poems he wrote, Rabindranath Tagore. Sir, I am very much grateful. I express my gratitude to my party, the Communist Party of India Marxist, my Politburo, my Central Committee, the State Committee, for having selected me to come to this house. Sir, I will be missing my friends here, the approaches that I could have in this house from our leader of the house, a very sounding personality, leader of the opposition, sounding voices I could hear. My colleague Brinda Korat and all my colleagues here, I will be missing. But I am carrying with me the experience that you have enriched me with all your deliberations. For this I express my gratitude to all. And you all together have given me to build up a sense which seldom one can find. Sir, to end, I am just inviting the attention of the Honorable Dr. Manmohan Singh to some issues of the Northeast. I tried my best. Issues of the Northeast, and also Dr. Manmohan Singh also comes from the Northeast. Much more has to be done for the Northeast. 8 states, you cannot go move from one state to another state. Transport is so much in lacking there. But the potential that Northeast has, Northeastern states are having the potential, huge potential, but we cannot harness a fraction of it even now. It can be a very adorned area if we can adorn it like this. This beauty and the prosperity, the natural resources that are having. Sir, another thing is that, sir, I moved to private member resolution, one seeking the right to job as a fundamental right. I introduced one private member resolution, but now this will lapse because I am retiring. I like to emphasize that OBC in Tripura are not getting reservation because already there are 50% reservation by SC and ST, and OBC and minorities, they are comprising 40%. But not a single person can be provided to them for reservation. And I tried to raise this issue many a time here, but this remain unfulfilled. If this August House can carry all this and find a means to fulfill all these incomplete things, outside the House, I will be the happiest man if all these are fulfilled here. I do carry the hope that House will not miss me. I may be missing you. The House will not miss me in those issues. Whenever these issues issues are raised here, and if these issues find a place for fulfillment, I will be the happiest man. With this aspiration, sir, I am parting with you. My heartiest thanks and gratitude for all you.
Thank you.